The 3.0-liter EcoDiesel V6, built by VM Motori in Cento, Italy, gave Ram 1500 and Jeep Grand Cherokee owners something no rival half-ton offered in 2014, stump-pulling diesel torque with gasoline-like refinement. Awarded Ward's 10 Best Engines 3 years running, the EcoDiesel pairs compacted graphite iron strength with modern emissions tech, yet it also carries a few headaches owners must understand. Let's break down its construction, updates, trouble spots, and real-world durability. A CGI block set at 60 degrees uses a rigid bed plate with 4 14mm main bolts and 8 additional 12mm cross bolts, cradling a forged 4140 steel crankshaft, cast iron rods, and aluminum pistons cooled by oil squirters. The result is a lighter but stronger base than traditional cast iron, while still withstanding a 16.5:1 after 2020 16.0:1 compression ratio. Twin aluminum DOHC heads carry 4 valves per cylinder, actuated by roller finger followers. A single roller chain spins both exhaust cams, which in turn gear drive the intake cams, while low voltage ceramic glow plugs, 1 per hole, speed cold starts and cut emissions. Bosch MultiJet II common rail injection fires up to 8 events per stroke at 29,000 psi, delivering quieter combustion and cleaner burn. A rear-mounted water-cooled Garrett variable geometry turbo lives deep in the valley and feeds an air-to-air intercooler before charge air enters the manifold. Meeting US and EU standards requires water-cooled EGR, a diesel oxidation catalyst, a DPF SCR with DF dosing, and low-pressure EGR after treatment. This stack keeps NO and soot in check, but adds complexity and maintenance costs. For the 5th generation Ram 1500, VM Motori revised piston bowl geometry, coated skirts, lowered compression, reshaped intake ports, upgraded injectors, installed a new water-cooled VGT unit, swapped in a low-slung intercooler, and redesigned low-pressure EGR, netting an extra 20 horsepower and 80 Newton meters, while trimming fuel use and tailpipe gases. A water-to-oil cooler with an integrated plastic check valve can crack or leak during sustained high-temperature towing, pushing oil into the coolant, coating the radiator, and momentarily starving the bearings. Telltale signs include oil in the expansion tank and flashing low-pressure lights. Some early engines suffer press-fit cam drive gear movement or subpar rod main bearing clearances, leading to timing errors or bottom-end knock well before 100,000 miles, typically traced to assembly line QC lapses rather than design flaws. Like many modern diesels, the EcoDiesel's water-jacketed EGR core can split, allowing coolant vapor to enter the intake, creating white smoke and misfire symptoms that mimic a blown head gasket until pressure testing confirms the cooler leak. FCAs from 2014 to 2016, EcoDiesels contained software maps that underreported NO in laboratory cycles, triggering a $300 million settlement and a mandatory reflash on more than 100,000 trucks. The update lowers real-world emissions but slightly lengthens regeneration frequency. With regular 10,000-mile synthetic oil changes, DEF top-ups, and cooling system inspections, most EcoDiesels cross 250,000 miles without major overhaul. Neglect the oil cooler, EGR service, or chain tension checks and repair bills escalate quickly, so proactive maintenance is the key to long service life. The VM Motori 3.0 EcoDiesel delivers big truck torque, 30 mpg highway efficiency, and a refined V6 rumble that's hard to beat in a half-ton. Understand its cooling system quirks, emissions hardware, and timing gear nuances. Follow a strict service schedule, and this Italian-American power plant can tow, haul, and commute reliably for years, making it a compelling option for the diesel-curious pickup or SUV owner.